Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product designed to make your yoga, pilates, or home workouts more comfortable. The Retrospec Solana 1-inch extra thick yoga mat. If you've ever struggled with thin mats that hurt your joints, this one might just be the upgrade you need. Let's dive in. One of the standout features of the Retrospec Solana mat is its extra thick 1-inch padding. That's about double or even triple the thickness of standard yoga mats. What does that mean for you? Well, it provides incredible cushioning for your knees, elbows, and spine, making it ideal for longer sessions, floor workouts, or anyone with joint sensitivity. The mat is made from durable, non-slip, high-density foam. It's designed to keep its shape even after repeated use, which is important because cheaper mats tend to flatten out or tear. Plus, it's easy to roll and store, so you don't have to worry about it taking up too much space. Another great feature is the non-slip surface. Whether you're doing yoga, pilates, or simple stretching, this mat helps keep you stable so you're not sliding around. That's a big plus if you're practicing balance poses or higher intensity workouts. The Retrospec Solana also comes with a carrying strap, making it super easy to take with you to the gym, yoga class, or even outdoors. Despite being thick, it's still lightweight and portable. And when it comes to maintenance, it's really simple, just wipe it clean with a cloth and mild soap. The foam material is moisture resistant, so it doesn't hold on to sweat or odors like some mats do. So, if you're looking for a yoga mat that's extra thick, durable, comfortable, and portable, the Retrospec Solana 1-inch yoga mat is definitely worth checking out. It's especially great if you have sensitive joints or want a mat that will last you through daily use. I'll drop the link in the description below so you can grab yours directly from Amazon. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and let me know in the comments if you'd like me to cover other yoga or fitness gear.